Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And after the months and months of leaks of the Google Pixel 6, it's finally launching on 19th October. And we have its all the specifications and also one of the major things which you might not have expected from this phone. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So according to the leaks and the newly released poster from the Pixel is expected to be launching at a €650 pricing, and you will also be getting a Bose headphones alongside with this phone, and it converts the pricing in India to be around 56,000 rupees. Now considering that this will be the very first smartphone from Google with its own chipset and it's the Tensor SoC. Now, according to in terms of the performance of this chip, then this processor is expected to be on par with the Snapdragon 870, which is not at all a bad when compared that this is the very first processor from the Google. Not only that, on the Pixel 6 Pro, you will be getting a 6.7 inch of a full HD plus pan AMOLED panel and with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, which will be variable from 10Hz to 120Hz. On protection on this display also, you will be getting a Gorilla Glass Victus, and the main camera of this phone will be of 50 megapixels and which will capture more than 150% more light. The 12 megapixel of an ultra wide camera and an 8 megapixel of a telephoto lens. Now, what you will also get with this Pixel smartphone is that it will be the very first smartphone which will be getting a 5 years of which means that there will be total of 4 years of major Android update and 5 years of a security patch. On the charging side also, it will be featuring a 30 watt of wired charging, which will charge your phone up to 50% in 30 minutes and 23 watts of wireless charging. The IP68 water resistance is also being seen on this phone, so you won't be getting you can take this phone in a water or even for a swim. Now what's exciting about this phone is that this is the very first phone which will be getting a 5 years of security updates, and not only that, what you can expect alongside the Pixel launch is that the Pixel Watch and the Pixel Fold. Now these two things are also being rumored to be launching alongside the Pixel 6 series. And what do you think about these things? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and vote it out in the community poll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.